Datsun Redi Go CNG review. Let's start the review. Before installation the kit, let's check the clearance between tire and body. The dicky where the CNG tank will be placed over the stepney tire. Stepney tire can be taken out. The engine side, they will open the air suction and place the CNG kits. The CNG pipe is looking out here. The CNG kit is installed now, and the gap is nearly 1 inch. 1 inch down. Check the dicky, how dicky looks. The bottle will be look like this. There is a small gap where you can put some luggage, some useful things like this. Over the tank you can place 3 bags, this size of bags you may keep here. 3 bags can be easily adjusted. A small thing, the tire is below the tank. As informed by shopkeeper, the tank weight is 60 kg, and the CNG you can fill here 9 kg. This is the knob. In emergency you can close the supply of CNG. The engine side, how the engine side looks after installing. This is the ECG of CNG. This is the trauma seater sequential kit, and this is the knob where gas will be filled. The white is pipe, CNG pipe. Also you can stop this button knob, so in any kind of emergency you can close the supply of CNG. Like this. Let's start the car. Car will be started normally on petrol. The yellow light is for petrol, green light is for gas. After 26 seconds of running the engine, the car will be automatically converted on gas. While it converting on gas, the gas light will be blinking like this, and the petrol light will be off. Yes, this is now on gas. We can change anytime from here manually also, gas to petrol or petrol to gas in any speed on highway or anytime. While we require more power, we can change on petrol from gas or gas to petrol. The all 4 green lights shows the full level of gas in tank. While the gas level is down, the red light is on. It means it's now in reserve. In red light, car can be travel 30 kilometers. While the gas level will be down in tank, the buzzer will be sound like this, and car will be automatically turned on petrol. Hello friends, today I want to review on CNG Redi Go, how it is. So many people say that the pickup of car will be down after CNG. So you can check here. This is on CNG, and let's be high. What will be time it will be take? You can check here. This is race. This is kilometer reading. This will be so no any kind of, this is race. When I increase the race, that will be so. Here the bars will be increased. You can see here. So car is on AC. Let's try on highway. So what happen? How many time it will be taken to take a speed of 80? Let's start. So this is a gear number 1. Here you can also check the kilometer. Okay, let's start. I'm not racing much. This is a third gear. This is a fourth gear. This is a fifth gear. So I'm not much more racing. It getting the 80, speed of 80. It's on AC. So you can see. I take 21 km per liter on petrol. With CNG I get 37 km per kg on highway and 29 km per kg in city. After installing the CNG kit, the company will be award warranty. The car will be gain some weight. While the full 5 passenger is seated in, you found the lack of power.